How do you reset an Electrolux washing machine ewf1083? Initially it just wasn't completing the end of the cycle, last 12 minutes or so, and giving error code E20. However, now the machine won't fill with water. Also no longer giving E20 error.
If there are any problems at all, please respond before rating and allow me to reply first, so we may have a positive outcome regarding your inquiry. Some time has passed since you lodged your question today. Would you still like some assistance, please?
I am not sure how this is a response to my question at all. I have not received feedback that is of assistance, so I would definitely still like some help.
Some time had passed since you lodged your question, and I just wanted to make sure you still needed help with this inquiry. First of all, you need to deal with the problem before attempting to reset the machine. When you lay the drain hose down to ground level, will the water manually drain itself? This will tell us straight away if there is in fact a blockage in the system. Also, when you cleaned the filter bung, was there much stuff in there? If so, open the door of the machine, pour in 2 to 3 liters of water and then see if it will run the drain and spin cycle and switch off as per normal, activates water level switch.
When I drained it, water did come out, but it was not a lot. This was on the last spin, so I don't think there would have been much water in the machine. When I cleaned the filter there were a few hair clips and a 20-cent piece, so not that much. I have followed the manual instructions on attempting to rectify the issue, but have not attempted your last suggestion. I will do that now, let you know how I go. Thanks.
Thank you. When the machine should be draining and spinning, the pump should be running the whole cycle. Can you hear it humming away? Cheers.
Set it up. Drain cycle indicated 2 minutes. It drained fine for the first minute and then stopped draining water. So did not complete the cycle. I assume this means there is a blockage somewhere. Thanks.
When the draining stopped, could you still hear the pump running, even though no water was coming out?
It stopped for about a couple of minutes and then the pump started again, even though water was not coming out.
We will try for the reset, okay? If this problem keeps reoccurring, then we will think about looking further for a blockage, okay? 1. Switch off the appliance. 2. Press and hold down the Start/Pause button and the nearest option button simultaneously. 3. Holding down both buttons, switch the appliance on by turning the program selector 1 position clockwise. 4. Continue to hold down the buttons until the LEDs begin to flash, at least 2 seconds. To exit, switch off, switch on and switch off again the appliance. Then power up and run a full wash program and see how it goes. Keep me posted, please, okay?
Trying now, we'll let you know how I go. Thanks.
Thank you.
Tried the reset 3 times with no luck. Still no water running when a new cycle is kicked off. The machine also sounds unusually loud, although that is probably because I am paying attention to it, and there is no water coming out. Thanks very much for your assistance and suggestions, you have been very helpful.
Okay, the E20 is a blocked pump or kink drawn hose fault code, which is why the machine won't pump out. You're going to have to tip the machine back and see if you can come up from underneath, or in through the back and remove the tub to pump hose and check that for blockages. With the tub to pump hose disconnected, you can also look up into the base of the washer tub and see if anything is stuck in the hole where the water drains down through the hose to the water pump. Also check your drain hose and make sure it isn't kinked or aquashed behind the machine. You said it is making a louder noise than normal. Is this when it is pumping, or when it begins to spin? Read but no reply?
Hi, apologies for the delay in response. Your assistance has been great, but opted to get someone to come and have a quick look at it. Not worth repairing, so just going to get a new machine. Do you have any brand recommendations?
Hi there, I think LG front loaders are the way to go, then more Bosch. LG have a fairly good reputation and Bosch are also a quality machine, but a bit more expensive. LG parts are cheapest of all, Bosch aren't so cheap, but last longer whatever you buy. Purchase an extended warranty here. Check this out, they are having a sale and delivery is free, plus an extended warranty for up to 5 years for $109. http://www.appliancesonline.com.au/frontloadwashingmachines. Asks, even if you bought the cheapest one and got the extra warranty, that's about $500 for 5 years trouble-free running. Average lifespan of a front loader washer in Australia is 7 years. Pretty bad, huh? If you have any further questions, please feel free to respond and I will answer them. Otherwise, a rating of OK service or higher would be appreciated on my behalf. If you feel you have to rate lower than this, then please don't. I would rather meet your expectations than have you leave me negative feedback. Thank you.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.